Square, take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive. I just want y'all to know that. And tonight, let's enjoy life. Pitbull, Naya, Neo, that's right. So I'm just going to keep blowing. I got it locked up like Lindsay Lohan. Put it on my life, baby. I'ma give you a ride, baby. Can't promise tomorrow, but I promise tonight. Excuse me, and I might drink a little more than I should tonight. And I might take you home with me if I could tonight. And baby, I'ma make you feel so good tonight. Cause we might not get tomorrow.
Demnächst rechts abbiegen. Metern halb rechts abbiegen und der 166 weiter folgen und sofort links abbiegen. Bitte halb rechts abbiegen. Bitte links abbiegen und der 166 weiter folgen.